MustangMedic, and we're gonna have a good time with people, with cars, and with America. Enjoy. Let's go. Now. That was awesome. Can I get a little roar? I like Corvettes. Ford Fairlane. That's called good lines right there. Ford Fairlane XL. '66 Ford Fairlane 390, matching numbers. Matching numbers. Let's take a peek at the engine. And that looks like an old Ford Blue. There's a new Ford Blue and there's an old Ford Blue. That's an old Ford Blue. Obviously, that's not the custom spark plug wires, but everything else is bone stock, from what I can see. Is that the original airbox? No. No? Where'd you get the airbox from?
It came with the car.
Oh, it came with the car? It looks old, whatever the airbox is. But here's a 390, guys, matching numbers. Ford Fairlane, 66. Out here rolling around in Paulsboro, New Jersey. What we do on video?
What do we do on video?
We act natural.
Okay.
This is Bourbon and Brews, and this is
Dana.
And she's really cool. So if you guys are in Paulsboro, New Jersey, and you want an outdoor event, or you just want to hang out with a good-looking bartender, sorry, I didn't mean sex sells.
That's okay.
You can come here and meet good people and see cars, or see good people and listen to live music. Live music back there. So come out and enjoy it. Not this lovely lady, but the place, right?
That's right.
And you know what I mean?